Imagine waking up on a planet where it's minus 60 degrees Celsius. There's no oxygen, and gravity makes you float like you're on the moon. Today, I'm trying to survive 24 hours on Mars. No food, no breathable air, and definitely no backup plan. This is going to be the craziest challenge we've ever done. Let's go. So, what exactly is Mars? Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it's called the red planet because it's covered in rust. Literally, it's half the size of Earth, but has the tallest mountain and the deepest canyon in the entire solar system. Here's what you need to know before visiting Mars. Average temperature, minus 60 degrees Celsius. Gravity, 38% of Earth. 1 day equals 24.6 hours, so close to Earth. It has the biggest dust storms in the solar system, and no breathable oxygen. Scientists and Elon Musk say we'll be living on Mars by 2050. But how? To live on Mars, you'd need a pressurized suit, oxygen tanks, radiation protection, a dome habitat, and a lot of money. One ticket to Mars could cost you $500,000. You might as well buy 10 Ferraris and race them on the moon. So, I decided to simulate Mars conditions here on Earth. I built a custom room with low temperature, limited oxygen, zero outside food, and red lighting to mimic Mars' atmosphere. The challenge is simple. Survive for 24 hours without leaving. If I give up, I have to donate $10,000 to a random subscriber. After 1 hour, I was freezing. After 2 hours, I was hungry. After 3 hours, I was seeing stars, literally. Oxygen was super low. On screen, oxygen meter dropping. I tried eating dried astronaut food. It tasted like cardboard. I couldn't even drink water. It was frozen solid. Funny clip of teeth chattering. And to make it worse, I had to sleep in this environment. My body was cold. My brain was slower, and gravity made me feel super lightheaded. Here's what would happen to your body if you actually lived on Mars. Your bones would weaken due to low gravity. Your muscles would shrink. You'd suffer from radiation exposure, and you'd need artificial lights to stay mentally stable. That's why astronauts have to train for years just to survive a few days in space. After 18 hours, I was done. No warmth, no real food, and barely any air. I was hallucinating. But then I thought if astronauts can do it, so can I. So I pushed through the final 6 hours. And guess what? I made it. 24 hours on Mars. Done. This challenge taught me just how hard life on Mars will be. But with science, technology, and some crazy determination, maybe one day we'll get there. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, hit that subscribe button, give a like, and tell us in the comments. Would you survive 24 hours on Mars?